train eater time. I found a bus eater. Found bus eater. It's not train eater, that's bus eater. What the? I thought this was supposed to be scary. What's this, train eater evolution? Oh. Oh, I've seen that video. Nom, nom, nom. Oh, that was it? This is called The Last Station. That mean train eater's gonna be in this? Oh, that is creepy. Oh. Oh. That is weird. Eh? This guy didn't see this thing moving. I don't like that. Oh, that ain't good. Evolution of train eater. Why'd that train eater have braces on? Evolution of scary bus eater? All right, we'll see about that. It's just, okay, this is supposed to be train eater, not bus eater. Do not let bus eater win. This is a train eater battle. What the? Oh, it's 2019. He didn't win, by the way. Ooh, run, boy, run. Skirt. This is not a video about bus eater. How to ride train eater.
It's rideable. Ooh, oh, look.
What?
At those, oh, look at those munchers.
It's a big block.
Oh,
this thing
I
looks
really wish
weird.
someone would make
Is there seats?
NPC for the trainee.
Oh my god, there's seats.
Cool. What is? Oh, that's one of the eyes. Okay, can we get in the driver's seat? Oh, there it goes. Oh, look at its legs.
What
well,
in the?
I think I've peaked.
Is that a banana?
This is an 11.
What? Don't do that. That is a evil train. They're doing all this inside of a train? Don't do it. You're gonna die. What the heck am I watching? Oh, they forced his mouth open. And they're burning his mouth. That's not good. Now he's gonna eat you all. Uh-oh. Here we go, another evolution. What the? That thing looks horrible. Okay, this looks better. Normal train. Oh, we done seen that one.
Se acerca por el sur.
Whoa, look at
Y ha
that.
marcado el fin de
What a
tu
cool
destino.
logo.
Este es Train EATER.
I'm still
Este
not over this logo at the
terrorífico tren
top.
Fue creado por
Looks so cool.
un reconocido artista del terror.
What the? I don't know what this guy's saying, but...
Esta criatura es que esta no es su verdadera forma. Y esto es debido a que Train EATER puede cambiar de formas
Oh,
al
he's
igual
creating
que
it.
The Extra
Oh.
Slide o The Smile Room. Pero como era de esperarse, la forma preferida de esta criatura
This
es
guy
la
is
de
good.
un tren, ya que Train EATER solo tendría que estar en la estación y esperar que las personas ingresen a su estómago para que después
Guys,
vierta
that thing
un
is
viscoso
freaky.
líquido en el interior del tren.
I don't know what he's saying.
y
Maybe he's
asfixiará
explaining it some, but
completamente.
we all
Solo
know that it's a
esperemos
regular
que el
train until you
próximo
get
tren
on
que
it.
tomes no sea esta criatura.
What?
Un aterrador.
Okay. Okay. That thing is swallowing trains like nothing. Oh my gosh. Bye-bye. That's a dangerous machine. What the? It's Train Eater, but it's green and it's like a... It's Montgomery Gator Train Eater, which is like glam rock, I think. What the? Huggy Wuggy Train Eater? Oh, these... It's getting out of hand.
อุ้ยน่าสนุกจังเลยทำให้ดูหน่อย
Was that Mario?
โอ้
I just heard Mario.
ไม่เอาให้ดูหน่อยอุ้ยน่าสนุกมากเลยทุกคน
I don't know if you guys heard that.
เฮ้ยมาหยุดก่อนอะไรอะ
Now, clearly, that is the fakest thing I've ever seen my whole life.
มันตัวอะไรอะทุกคน
Oh my god, what is going on?
ตัวมันใหญ่มากเลย
Oh!
ใครรู้จักคอมเมนต์
I
มา
thought it was a train eater. SpongeBob train eater, Thomas the train eater, Cursed Thomas the train, and then the actual train eater. Those things are scaring the crap. Oh no. Alright, let's see what this is all about.
That's train eater. Do you see him? Guys, that's train eater. Do you see that? But yeah, he's go away. Normally we are afraid from train eater, but train eater is afraid for us. Bro, that's train eater. Do you see him?
Interesting. By the way, I know that guy. Dark corners, just saying. Train eater
Hello,
and
guys.
TV head.
This is
Ah.
my newest monster toys collection. This is
That thing looks
TV
weird.
head, and the red one.
I've never heard of
is
TV head. Train eater. Scary.
Train eater.
It's a little small. I would say train eater is way bigger than TV head.
Он едет за
Okay,
мной!
everybody, look.
Он за мной гонит,
There
реально,
is a
ребята!
giant.
За мной гонится поезд пожиратель, смотрите!
That's a really big train
Офигеть
eater.
можно.
He's coming for
Такого еще,
you.
ребят, у меня никогда не было. У
He's
меня
going
колеса
to
нет.
eat you alive.
Тихо,
Run.
врезался, за мной дальше едет. Он тихо, спокойнее, блин.
Oder Räder fahren, oh ja, kann die Schiene wechseln in mein Maul. Da ist ein Typ, der mich steuert, ich bin der Horrorzug, bin der Horrorzug, kann der rein, bin der Horrorzug. Ich bin der Horrorzug, töte Leute in der Strecke, leider kann ich nicht.
I don't know what they're saying. Hopefully it's not bad.
Ich bin der Horrorzug, kann alle Leute killen, alle.
What was this part right here?
Bin der Horrorzug, kann der rein, bin der Horrorzug. Ich bin der
That.
Horrorzug.
What is that?
Ich bin der Horrorzug.
Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.